I'm going to go ahead and sign up for MTA's tournament and walk us all through the steps together. I don't have an account, so I'll have to make one while I register. I'm going to go ahead and fill out my gamer tag here. I'm going to select the game I want to play. I'm going to start to fill out the rest of my information to create my account. MTA's tournament is for Alaska residents, so I want to make sure that I put that I'm from Alaska. So I'm going to start filling that in. And I can see right below this that MTA has a Discord, and I'm going to want to join that as well. I'm going to want to make sure I have the ability to communicate with the tournament organizers the day that I'm playing. I'm going to go ahead and hit register here. I'm going to quickly fill out my information one last time to get my Discord account created. It looks like it's asking me if I want to create a server. I want to join one, so I'm just going to skip this for now. I'm actually going to go back to SmashGG to finalize joining MTA's server. It's going to ask me to link my SmashGG account to my Discord account here, and I'm going to authorize that and say yep. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and hit join. If you already have Discord, it will launch it in your client. Otherwise, it's just going to load in your browser. And then from here, the final steps back at SmashGG, I hit continue, and now I'm just reviewing my registration. Gonna check all the boxes, make sure I'm not a robot, and it looks like I'm ready to play Smash Bros. Ultimate on November 7th.